Hi everyone, non-native English speaker here, and I'm gonna to learn French in 6 months.
It is practically impossible.
In 6 months? No.
I don't think so.
I don't know.
This is not proved scientifically, I guess.
Very difficult task to do it.
If the first one it's a problem, you can have focus more than one in the first time.
Actually, I don't know about this question because I didn't try it.
Yeah, but it's just time consuming. Yeah, because you have to devote, effort and time to it.
Generally, no, but
In my personal experience, I haven't seen anybody.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And after 5 weeks after starting my project learning French in 6 months, I have achieved some result and I'm eager to share with you my accomplishment. But before that, please give me opportunity to present you my second channel, Russian channel, where I conducted my own lesson, where I share with my audience lessons with my tutor and take interview with other people from from Russia, but we speak about French. If you are from Russia or you just wanted to know how I sound in my native language, please follow in the link in the description below. And just one video about from my second channel. J'aime toujours au tennis, aller à la pêche, faire du vélo et du skateboard. Pendant la récréation du collège, je joue à la pomme avec mes campagnes et à foot avec une balle de tennis. Okay, in this week I've learned about 125 new words, and I'm going to share with you to check it, right? Okay, let's get started from this day.
Эгоистичный.
Just
Эгоистичный.
this is the person who think about himself. Egoist,
Эгоист.
right?
Тихий.
Calm. This is calm in English, but in French it's the same.
Calme. Искренний.
Frank, right? In English, and frank in French.
Sincère.
Sincere, but I guess this is like synonyms, right?
Рассеянный. Distrait.
Distract, right?
Неприятный.
Unpleasant, unpleasant in English.
Désagréable.
Disagreeable, no. Okay, just next day.
Cauchemar.
I guess this is a nightmare, I guess, right? When you're just sleeping and you see some bad dream. Cauchemar.
Кошмар. Ronfler.
Ronfle. I can't remember.
Храпеть.
Yeah, snore, I guess. Yeah, when you're sleeping and you are create some sound from your throat, right?
Avoir sommeil.
Avoir sommeil. I guess this is if you want you want to dream,
Хотеть спать.
right? And one more words.
S'endormir.
Yeah, it's go to bed.
Заснуть.
Right, go to bed, s'endormir. And 31st day,
Смех.
laugh. Sourire, No, rire.
Rire. Разговор.
Conversation and conversation.
Conversation. Улыбка.
Sourire. This is a smile.
Sourire. Диалог.
Dialogue. Dialogue.
Dialogue. Точка зрения.
Point of view and point de vue.
Point de vue.
Point de vue. Okay. Today.
Serment.
Okay.
Mot de passe.
Mot de passe. I know this is like a words and password, but I can't remember.
Пароль.
Parole. Yeah, this is a password.
Nouvelle.
This is the news.
Новость. Proverbe.
Yeah, this is a proverb in like in English, right?
Пословица. Sensation.
This is a sensation, like something new,
Сенсация.
right? And one more word.
Réponse.
This is I guess when you give feedback. Yeah,
Ответ.
yeah. And last day here.
Слушать.
Écouter, it's like in English, like a listening.
Écouter. Уважение.
Respect.
Respect. Пожелать.
Wish. I can't remember.
Souhaiter. Показать.
To show, and in Russia. Mort. Give me a second. Mort, что такое?
Montrer.
Montrer, right. And one more word.
Беспокоить.
Disturb. Disturbite.
Distraire.
Distract, right. And one more word.
Глядеть на.
Regarder. To watch, to observe.
Regarder.
Right. And yeah, we finished. Okay. I'm gonna to create one more video at the end of the 2 months, and to repeat all of these words. I guess in my second channel, in my Russia channel, because I didn't have a lot of time to create two similar videos. And yeah, if you're curious, please subscribe to my next channel and watch. Yeah, I guess YouTube video, like a YouTube platform, have opportunity to switch on the sound translation, the subtitles. Please use these abilities and follow me to my next channel. Okay, now I'm gonna to present you my how to say curriculum, right? My first curriculum, or what I've created by myself beforehand. This is like a general curriculum, right? Okay, let's get started. Okay, there is a few days of my project, right? And here I'm gonna to mark like I've done it, right? Okay, what about here? I didn't have any lessons in this week with Tatiana with Lingua Flavor online school, because Tatiana has a vacation, and yeah, and I'm gonna to continue my education with another tutor in this week. I mean, in the next week, sixth week, right? If you are curious, please follow my next channel, Russian channel, right? Output, writing and speaking. And there is, I mark like a minus, because this is a, I have no knowledge of all of these skills. That's why I just pretty early for me to do it right now. Just mark like I haven't done it. Worry about input, reading and listening. This is I mark like a 1 hour, right? And I have to do it, and I've done it. I mean, if you are curious, I've conduct my own lesson and record it and share with my audience in my next channel as well. You can watch it in my next channel. Yeah, I would like to repeat that description will be link will be description in below. I'm sorry, just random order words. I'm sorry, I didn't have a lot of practice of speaking. I'm sorry for my bad English. A lesson with the tutor, right? This is like a mark like a minus. Physical activities, just I haven't a lot of time to conduct like physical activities, and just in Saturday I've done like with my son, right? Oh no, not my son, like with the with the skate, not skate, like a skate, roller skate, like right. I just riding and yeah, and swimming and at Sunday. All right. Yeah, what about diet? I mean swimming at Sunday, right? What about diet? Just follow my diet, like healthy food and something like that. Sleeping 7 hours, it's pretty fine for me. And emotional condition, this is like 8 point. This is not so bad. And study time, this is 2 hours, like in a daily on the daily, I mean working days, and I have a time on the weekend, and on weekend, and just conducting extra time. And accomplishment by the end of the week, just 125 new words. That's it by this program. Okay, just finished. Now I'm gonna to present you my next curriculum. This is the second curriculum about what? About like a second curriculum what I've created during this learning, what I've changed it sometimes, right? When I've gained some knowledge of French, I decided to create one more curriculum to to adjust, to steer my development, right? Okay, let's move on to the next curriculum. There is my second program, my own project, and yeah, I would like to mark just yeah, just not third group of, yeah, just conjugation, third group of verbs, like venir, prendre, répondre, connaître, sentir. Okay, let's just to confirm my knowledge, just give me a second to do it. Okay, just put some picture with this words, and just like a prendre, right? Prendre, je prendre, tu prendre, elle prendre, nos prénoms, vos prénoms, vos prenez. No, I don't know. Oh, je prends, tu prends, elle prend, nous prenons, yeah, nous prenons, vous prenez, ils prennent, right? What about okay, sentir? This is like a sense, yeah. Je sens, tu sens, il sent. Nous sentons, vous sentez. Ils sentent. Ils sont. No. Je sens, tu sens, elles sont. Nous sentons, vous sentez. Ils sont. Yeah. Just mark here with plus, plus and minus. And what happened? Plus and minus here. What about conjugation? Second group of verbs. There's some verbs I put here as well. Okay, like a build, like a bâtir, right? Je bâtis, tu bâtis, il bâtit. Nous bâtissons, vous bâtissez. Ils bâtissent. And one more word, choisir, like choose, right? Je choisis, tu choisis, il choisit. Nous choisissons, vous choisissez. Ils choisissent. Yeah, just mark here that I've done it. We can approve it. I've approved it. I confirm it. What about the third, like few units from book with a bien. I've done just only 2, and just here 2. It's like a plus and a minus, right? And reading books, I've done it, and you can check it in my next channel, right? Yeah, this is my curriculum. At the end of this video, I would like to say thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for leaving some comment below. Yeah, subscribe to my channel, please. Like this video, and yeah, waiting new videos. Bye bye.